Hey everyone, as we know that the demand for the AI skills is growing rapidly, and a lot of companies have launched their AI courses, be it OpenAI, Anthropic, Amazon, Google. A lot of AI courses are there, and also a lot of educational platforms are there where you can build the AI skills like Coursera and Udemy. So Google has recently launched two new platforms where you can build the AI skills completely free of cost. Let me walk you through that, and you can see that there are a bunch of courses, AI courses, starting with the beginners, intermediate, even if you are at the expert level. So there are a bunch of courses. At the same time, you can also build. You can gain some of the certifications from that, which you can definitely apply to your LinkedIn profile, or you can use in the your resume, and definitely that will add value to your career. So let me walk you through that different courses that is available on the free Google platforms. So this platform of Google has launched a lot of AI skills. So as you can see here, uh, so there's one AI skills house where definitely you can level up a lot of AI certifications, a lot of AI skills under the AI skills house. There are a lot of courses around the Gemini ecosystems. So there's a Google Student Ambassador Program, Google Gemini Student Community, and also a lot of use cases around Google Gemini. So you can gain those skills here. And as we know that there has been a growing demand for the AI skills, be it all over the world, including India. So definitely you can build a lot of skills for AI. So the two courses that you see here, one is the Gemini AI workshop, and another one is the Introduction to Gen AI. These are the very basic fundamental course for AI on the Google AI ecosystem, and it provides a lot of understanding and the basic contents around the Gen AI and the Gemini AI workshop. If you delve deeper into the AI, then you find a lot of different courses are there. For example, AI professional certificates. There is a AI essential certificate, introduction to large language models, and introduction to responsible AI. There is a Gen AI Academy, and there is a Gen AI for educators also. If you click on this AI professional certificate, then you can find a bunch of Google AI professional certificates. Definitely, you can build skills around those certificates and also gain the certificates for that. So the Google AI Professional Certificate, it's all about promoting and responsible judgment and apply the AI confidently. That once you learn that, you can definitely build your personal suite of reusable AI assets and different hands-on projects that you can do as part of these certifications. So different tools that it talks about. There could be Gemini app, Gems, Canvas, Nano Banana, VO3. So entire Google AI ecosystems, different tools and platform that you see here, and you can build your skills around that. And these courses are also available on Coursera, but it's very much available with this platform on Google, completely free of course. So now you can see the different courses breakdown here. For example, one is this AI fundamental, then the AI for brainstorming and planning, the AI for research and insights, and AI for writing and communication, AI for content creation, AI for data analysis, and AI for app building. So as you can see, there are different AI courses around different use cases. So be it you're a student or you are a professional, you are a content creator, you are building apps, or you're doing a data analysis. For all those different use cases, Google has provided different course and certifications on this platform, and this is built around the different AI tools that Google provides. Now, if you see this AI Essential, so under Google AI Essentials, um, so it is also about the 10 hour of self-packed study that you can learn about the generative AI tools and technologies that they have. And if you look at the curriculum, so it is about providing the introduction to AI. How can you maximize your productivity with AI? You can how discover the art of prompt engineering, how you can use the AI responsibly, and also how you can stay ahead of the AI curve. So a lot of things that you see here, that comes under the AI Essential, and it's completely divided across 5 modules and completely fully online, and it's completely free of cost on this platform. So this all details was one of the Google platform. Now let's go back to the different platform that we have. So this is another platform that Google has launched recently, and this is also completely free of cost, and it has bunch of AI courses, and not only AI courses but bunch of courses on Google Cloud platform that you can learn, you can build. You can, and the very good thing is that you get almost 35 credits every month free of cost, and then you can also do a hands-on lab practices, and you can build the practical skills around AI and cloud technologies. So if you go to catalog, and if you look at the different AI courses are there. So the courses not only, as I said, it's not only around the AI, but also around how can you manage the Kubernetes on Google Cloud, around the big data, around the big queries, how you can uh, build different skills on Google Cloud. But let's say if you're interested about the AI technologies, then you can search AI here, and then as you see, a lot of courses will be around AI. So you see the courses like Generative AI Explorer Agent Platform, Baseline Data AI and ML course, Machine Learning and AI on Google Cloud, Introduction to AI and Machine Learning on Google Cloud. So the courses are starting from the machine learning AI to how can build the model from scratch, how can you fine tune the model, how can you leverage the existing model to build the Gen AI applications, how you can develop different AI powered prototypes on Google Cloud. So the courses are around each and every use cases that you may have, uh, and you can start building your skills. And it does not matter, regardless of whether you are a beginner, you are at the intermediate level, or you are an expert level. There's a courses for everybody here. So there's also a Google Cloud self-paced lab, and as I said earlier, you get some credits every month, 35 credits every month. So not only you're doing some theoretical courses, but at the same time you're getting the hands-on lab where you can practice the skills what you're learning through these courses. If you search for, let's say, generative AI, then you can see here there's a different courses, there are different labs, there are different paths, whatever you decide. So let's example, if you're interested into a generative AI leader certification, or let's say uh, beginner course, if you start with a beginner course for introduction to generative AI, so let's click on that and we'll see. So as you can see here, what are the different things comes under this path. So introduction to generative AI, introduction to large language models, introduction to responsible AI, prompt design in agent platform, and responsible AI, how you can apply the AI principles with Google Cloud. So these are the different courses available under the introduction to generative AI path. So like that, you can choose different paths based on the what skills you have, what stages of AI skills that you have, and based on that you can choose different paths. So let's go back. Let's say if we choose this, let's say we choose the machine learning ML operations for the generative AI. So under this path, you see that we have the course introduction, then you have the evolution of ML Ops framework for generative AI, how you can navigate the generative AI for embracing the nuances and adapting to ML Ops, and different things. So under the generative AI in Agile platform course, you find lot of things under that, getting started with Google Generative AI using the Gen AI SDK, multimodality with Gemini, introduction to function calling with Gemini, and other things. So these two platforms are very, very helpful for anybody who's trying to build the AI skills. These two platforms are completely free of cost. You can start building your AI skills right now, and at the same time you will gain the certifications which you can definitely add to your resume, to your LinkedIn profile, and you will start building your AI profile. A lot of people are kind of trying to build the AI skills, and this is the very, very good platform for anybody looking to build the AI skills, and that is completely free of cost. So I will definitely request everybody to start making use of that. And if you're looking for more detail on that, just comment below. I will provide you all the details that we have regarding these two platforms, and what courses you can start with depending on your stage of career or your stage of AI skills that you have, and I'll start recommending for your needs. Yep.